Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the font size on your Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings and then click mo lang to open. So dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung accessibility. Ito siya. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect agad tayo dito sa kanyang accessibility settings. So dito na sa visions, under nito ay pwede mo na itong i-modify. So makikita mo dito yung text size that appears throughout windows in your apps. And then next step, click mo lang itong arrow na yan. And then, pwede mo na itong i-preview, and dito na sa baba ay pwede mo na itong i-adjust. So, i-adjust mo na siya according sa iyong gusto mga kaibigan. So, kung ilang percent yung gusto mo, pwede mo itong i-adjust. So, yung pinakamataas na adjustment ay nasa 225%. Ganito siya. Right? So, very simple lang. And then, next step ay, i-click mo lang ito, apply. Right, so in the next method na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa ating Windows screen, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then next step ay sinik mo lang dito yung display settings, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa display settings, and then next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then dito sa scale and layout, so pwede mo na itong i-modify ulit. So scales, change the size of text, apps, and other items. So, kapag click mo itong arrow na to, and then makikita mo na dito kung ilang percent yung scale and layout mo. So, ang most recommended ay yung 150%. So, pwede mo itong i-adjust to 125, 100, and 175. Right? So, dito naman sa kanyang display resolutions. So, same things. Click mo lang itong arrow na to, and then makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan yung other options. Kung ilang percents, kung ilang layout yung gusto mo ito siya. So, select ka lang dito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to adjust scale and font size in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.